Unlock the power of transformation and bring your creative visions to life with Higgsfield Morph. First, let's get our subject ready. Load your desired character model or object into the Higgsfield environment. You'll see it here in its initial, unmorphed state. Now, to create a morph, we need a target. Navigate to the morphing tools and select the option to create a new morph target. This essentially captures a new shape for our object. With your object selected, make the desired changes. This could be a dramatic pose, a facial expression adjustment, or any transformation you envision. Once you're happy, save this as your first morph target. You can create multiple morph targets, each representing a different state or pose of your object. Think of them as snapshots of variation. The magic happens when we blend these targets using the interpolation controls. You can smoothly transition between your original model and each of your saved morph targets. By adjusting this control, you can create seamless, dynamic animations. Imagine your character's face changing expression or an object breathing life through subtle shifts. This technique is perfect for creating lifelike character animations, generating unique special effects, or even designing entirely new, imaginative creatures by blending distinct forms. Experiment with different combinations and levels of influence to create truly captivating visual illusions that will elevate your videos and interactive projects.